Question number 11. Find the area of the region y the curve y square is equal to 4x and the line x is equal to 3. Given curve is y square equal to 4x. So y is equal to under root of 4x. Y will be 2 root x. And given line x is equal to 3. It's O and x is equal to 3. X dash y dash. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. X is equal to 3. And y square is equal to 4x. Then parabola O, A, B and C. Required area of OABC is equal to OAB plus COB, 2 times of area of OAB. OAB is equal to OCB and required area of the shaded region, that is OABC, is equal to double of area of OAB. So required area of the shaded region is equal to 2 times of integration of 0 to 3 y dx, that is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to 3 y is equal to 2 root x dx. Y is equal to 2 root x dx. 2 2s are 4 and limit lies 0 to 3 root x dx, that is equal to 4 into integration of 0 to 3 root x can be written as x raised to power 1 upon 2 dx. As we know that x raised to power n, integration of x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So we are using the formula, that is 4 into x raised to power 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 1 upon 2 plus 1 and limit 0 to 3, which implies 4 into x raised to power 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2 and limit 0 to 3, that is equal to 4 into, this will be 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2, that will be 2 upon 3 into x raised to power 3 upon 2 and limit is 0 to 3 is equal to 8 upon 3. We are putting upper limit first, 3 raised to power 3 upon 2 and lower limit is 0, that will be 0, which implies 8 upon 3 and 3 raised to power 3 upon 2, we can write it as 3 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 1 upon 2. 1 plus 1 upon 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 and 3 into 3 raised to power 1 upon 2 is root 3. And 3 raised to power 3 upon 2, we can write it as 3 root 3. 3 is cancelled and we get required area is equal to 8 under root 3 square units. Answer. We have given curve y square is equal to 4x and line x is equal to 3. Y is equal to under root of 4x, that is 2 root x. It's equation number first. And line is x equal to 3. We draw a parabola x dash y dash and 1 2 3. We draw a line x axis, x equal to 3 and O is this point is O, A, B, C, and we want to find the shaded area of the shaded region. So OAB is equal to OCB and required area of OABC is equal to 2 times of area of OAB, that is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to 3, limit lies between initial point, that is 0, and x-axis, this point is x equal to 3. So limit lies between 0 to 3 y dx. And we have y is equal to 2 root x. We are putting in this integration and 2 2s are 4, integration 0 to 3 root x dx. X raised to power n dx integration is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So root x we can write it as x raised to power 1 upon 2 and integration of x raised to power 1 upon 2 is equal to x raised to power 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 1 upon 2 plus 1 and limit lies 0 to 3. X raised to power 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2 and this will be 4 into 2 upon 3, 4 2s are 8 upon 3 and x raised to power 3 upon 2, limit lies 0 to 3. First of all, we are putting upper limit 3 raised to power 3 upon 2 minus lower limit is 0. This implies 8 upon 3 into 3 root 3 and 3 is cancelled we get the required area is equal to 8 root 3 square units. Answer. Thank you so much.